Hello everybody. Today I'm going to discuss about the research instrument in data collection, and I'm going to discuss about the major 6 features of a good research instrument in data collection, and which is very important for carrying research work in, especially in social sciences and other health sciences, and even for other educational aspects. Because mainly the research instrument is used for the study, especially after conceptualization of the topic, for proceeding with a selected research method which is suitable for the research instrument. That is a scenario we can consider for doing a research instrument, and we can select for the research right instrument for carrying the research. And when we want to know the exact meaning of research instrument, and research instrument is used as a tool for collecting data, measuring the research data, and analyzing on specific interested area. That is all about research instrument. And when we are going to discuss about the major 6 features of the research instrument for collecting and using in data collection. Research instrument is used as a tool for collecting data, measuring the research data, and analysis on specific interested area. Because in research instrument is very essential for researchers to select the right instrument for collecting data, measuring the research data, and analyze on specific interested area. The first valid feature of research instrument for selection of research instrument is based on valid research data like content validity and reliable of the data to the concerned subject or topics. So that is quite important, valid of research data, content validity, and reliable of the data. And second one is in theoretical framework, researcher able to connect different variables. In theoretical framework, we can consider the researcher for considering 2 major variables. One is independent variable, another one is dependent variable. The third one is it must be narrowed down topic on a specific title. And research instrument can be limited itself by narrowing down on a specific title in specific topic, and it cannot be going to the beyond extension areas by creating more bias and confusion. So hence it will be very limited, narrow down the topic, and also it will be very specific with the selected title. And another one is it must be able to test the hypothesis. The research instrument should be able to test the hypothesis specifically in scientific research methods. And another one is the feature is it must be free from bias and it must be appropriate to the title. There should be no bias while selecting the research instrument for carrying the further research work, and it must be related to the extent title. The last one is it must be clear instrument for definitions using the instrument. It must be very clear instrument for definitions using the instrument. So these are the 6 major causes and reasons for selecting the right research instrument for carrying the research work, and also for measuring the research data, collecting the data, analyzing data on specifically interested area. The right examples can be discussed, further clarification of the research instrument, so that The readers and listeners can get more understanding about the research instrument. The more examples, and I have classified into three categories of the examples based upon the research instruments. The types of research instruments can be basis of the interview method, and in interview method we are having so many classifications. We are having structured interview, unstructured interview, non-directive interview, focus interview, focus group interview. These are the interviews can be used for a specific topic, for a specific title, for carrying the and applying the research instrument. The second example, the research instrument on the basis of the observations. The observations further classified into three categories. One is observation method, structured observations, participant observation. The third one is the research instrument on the basis of surveys. Survey research, free answer, guided response type. These are the three examples for different research instruments can be applied while doing the research work. I hope the viewers got some understanding about the research instrument, and thank you for spending your valuable time, and thank you so much for your active participation. Thank you so much.